Welcome to the Road Reality Channel. On this channel, you will witness the aftermath of all the accidents you will watch. That is, the condition the cars are left in after the crashes. It is up to us to learn from the mistakes behind each of these accidents. You can support us by pressing the like button on the video. If you are ready, let's begin. In Denmark, the driver of an oncoming small van was distracted by his phone and didn't see the large green truck pulling right into its path. This is a clear reminder of how dangerous it is to use your phone while driving. The driver survived the crash, but was taken to the hospital with serious injuries.
Hang tight!
While an officer was helping a driver who had crashed due to poor road conditions, another truck slid out of control and slammed into the police cruiser. Fortunately, the officer was not injured. The unfamiliar driver sped up before even finishing the tunnel, and unaware of the surprise waiting at the exit, lost control and rolled down a ravine. If it weren't for a concrete structure halfway down the hillside, the crash could have ended in tragedy. The driver shared the video himself, so other motorists can learn from his mistake.
Kupno samochodu to poważna inwestycja, ale jak kupić i nie stracić? Na rynku są tysiące używanych samochodów, tylko który wybrać? Nie kupuj kota w worku. Salony samochodów
In Poland, this crash happened on a busy road when a truck attempted a risky overtaking maneuver without properly checking oncoming traffic. While one approaching vehicle managed to avoid the collision, two trucks were unable to do so, resulting in a crash that left one person injured.
Tu jest chłopak, kurwa, 25 lat, całe życie ma przed sobą, kurwa, a przez debila by zginął, kurwa, człowiek.
The 18-year-old driver was speeding in a public transport bus, almost causing a fatal accident. In any case, turning speed into fun can only end in disaster. In Texas, a train carrying oil and diesel fuel derailed after crashing into an 18-wheeler truck stuck on the tracks. 2 locomotives and 17 train cars went off the rails. The train conductor was taken to the hospital with minor injuries. As the car crashed into the donut shop, shattered glass flew onto people inside. The driver and 1 person in the store were taken to the hospital with injuries. In Kenya, a bus was traveling at high speed. When it first struck, a vehicle stopped at a toll station, then hit a toll booth and overturned. As a result, 20 people suffered injuries of varying severity. But in this crash in China, the driver was lucky that the front of the truck did not fall into the hole. Otherwise, the situation could have been much worse. A 63-year-old truck driver hauling nearly 12,000 gallons of unleaded fuel lost control of the vehicle, crashing into a utility pole. The pole split in half and fell onto the power lines, triggering a powerful electrical explosion. In Peru, a landslide of massive boulders crushed trucks, destroyed their cargo, and left large craters in the road, forcing it to be closed for 4 hours. Remarkably, none of the drivers suffered serious injuries. In Michigan, USA, a stolen vehicle driven by teenagers was being chased by police when it crashed into another patrol car that had come to assist. 2 officers and the teenagers were injured and taken to the hospital. In Canada, a vehicle flipped and crashed into a computer store. As a result, the driver and 1 person inside the store were injured and taken to the hospital. The crash also damaged the window of a nearby cafe. If your vehicle is not in good condition, especially if you're driving a truck and your route crosses a railway, think carefully before making a move.